Hello students, myself Dipendra Gupta from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Today I am going to explain questions related to triangle. First question is given that in the given figure DE parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE, prove that BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. Here is the given figure. So observe this figure and search in which triangle DE parallel to AC lie. So here DE parallel to AC in triangle ABC. So write down in triangle ABC we have DE parallel to AC. So therefore we can say that the DE parallel to AC, then other two sides of a triangle of ABC are in same proportional. Got it? So we can say that BE upon EC will be equal to BD upon DA. BD upon DA by basic proportionality theorem BPT, that is equation 1. Now DF parallel to AE, it is given that DF parallel to AB. So choose the triangle in which DF parallel to AE. After observing this figure, we conclude that DF parallel to AE lie in triangle ABE. So in triangle ABE we have DF parallel to AE. So therefore BF upon FE is equal to BD upon DA. BD upon DA by BPT, equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, in equation 1 BD upon DA is this BE upon AC, and BD upon DA is equal to BF upon FE, but BD upon DA and BD upon DA are equal, so that's why we can say that BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC. Hence proved. So BF upon FE is equal to BE upon EC, which we have to prove. Pause the video and note it down. Next question is, if in the given figure AB is parallel to CD, if OA is equal to 3x minus 19 and OB is equal to x minus 4 and OC is equal to x minus 3 and OD is equal to 4, determine x. First, draw the quadrilateral, that is A, B, C, D. Join the opposite vertices, then we get a diagonal AC and join D and D, then we get another diagonal DB. Both diagonals intersect at O. So OA is given that 3x minus 19. OB is x minus 4. OC is x minus 3 and OD is 4. So that is the given figure. In this figure, AB is parallel to CD. It means AB is parallel to CD. So you know very well, in any quadrilateral, if one pair of side in a given quadrilateral are parallel, if any pair of side in a quadrilateral are parallel to each other, then given quadrilateral will be trapezium. And in previous classes you have studied that the diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. Got it? It means AB parallel to CD given. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. So, in trapezium, diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. So that's why we can say that AO upon OC will be equal to OB upon OD because diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. That's the reason. Therefore, AO upon OC is equal to OB upon OD. Now, put the value of AO, it means OA. AO can be written as OA. So, OA is given that 3x minus 19 upon OC is given that x minus 3 and OB is given that x minus 4 and OD is given that 4. Now solve this equation. 4 3 ja 12x, 19 into 4 76, x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 4, then we get x square minus 7x plus 12. Transpose this term to right side, then we get x square minus 7x plus 12 minus 12x plus 76 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 19x plus 88. This is a quadratic equation. And how you will solve this quadratic equation? Apply the method of apply the middle term splitting method. Then 11 8 88, and if you add 11 plus 8, then you get 19. So this middle term can be written as x square minus 11x minus 8x plus 88 take out x as a common, then we get x minus 11. Take out minus 8 as a common, then we get x minus 11 is equal to 0. Then x minus 11 in one bracket and x minus 8 in other bracket is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 11 or x is equal to 8. That will be your final answer. So value of x will be 11 and 8. Pause the video and note it down. Now there is one problem you will face: how diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. In previous classes you have studied that diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. So how this will happen? OA upon OC, OB upon OD. So now I am going to prove this one, how diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. So first take in triangle DOC and take triangle AOB. Triangle AOB. In both triangle AB parallel to CD, and you know that if two lines are parallel to each other and one line intersected the two parallel lines, then that line is called transversal. So AC is a transversal and BD is also a transversal. So this angle is equal to this angle. It means angle BAO will be equal to DCO, that is alternate interior angle. That angle is called alternate interior angle. Now this is a transversal line, then this angle will be equal to this angle. That means angle ABO is equal to angle CDO. That is also a alternate interior angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Now, if two lines intersect each other, then this angle will be equal to this angle. That is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. So this angle is equal to AOB is equal to angle COD. Vertically opposite angle. By angle criteria of similarity, both triangle, that is DOC, similar to triangle AOB. So we have proved that DOC similar to triangle AOB. So both triangles are similar. So observe, this angle is equal to this angle, then write down the sides in front of this angle will be OB. Therefore this angle is equal to this angle, then observe the side in front of angle this will be OB, and this angle equal to this angle, then observe the side in front of this angle, that is OD, is equal to, now this angle is equal to this angle, then observe the sides in front of angle this will be OA, is equal to the side opposite to this angle will be OC. Got it? So there is a proving of this statement, that is diagonals of a trapezium, how diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. So here is the derivation of this statement. So write down very clearly. So that's enough for today. In next video, I will explain questions, very important question, which you face very difficulty to observe figures related to triangles questions. So in next video, I will explain difficult questions. So today, that is enough for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in next video.